Hello and welcome to D.Buzz, your microblog built on the Hive blockchain. Today we're going to be talking about how to log into D.Buzz using the Hive Keychain. First thing, when you come to D.Buzz and you click the login button, you're brought up with an option to log in using your username and your posting key. We have done a previous tutorial before about how to log in using your posting key. However, below it you'll see a checkbox that says log in with the Hive Keychain. When you click this, you'll notice the posting key option goes away and you have to enter your username. If you haven't done so already, please go and download the Hive Keychain app. After you do so, you'll be able to then install it onto your browser and enter your keys and passwords into that. Let's take a quick look at this. After you've installed the Hive Keychain app onto your browser, you'll need to import your keys. After you've installed the Hive Keychain app, you'll need to import your keys. You only need to import your posting key to make use of D.Buzz. To do so, come down where it says Use Keys and Password. When you click this, again, you'll have to enter your username and then copy and paste your private key in. In this case, you only need to copy and paste your private posting key in. When you put these both in, just click the Import Keys button, and now your account is set up on Hive Keychain, making it much easier to log in. Back on D.Buzz, after you've installed the Hive Keychain app and you've imported your keys, you can now log in with just using your username. In this case, D.Buzz. After I've entered my username, I have the checkbox clicked for login with Hive Keychain. I click submit, and then after it processes on the blockchain, you are now logged in and ready to start posting and using D.Buzz. In the future, you will not need to re-enter your keys again unless you remove Hive Keychain or your account from the Hive Keychain app. Otherwise, you just need to log in with your username each time moving forward. We recommend using the Hive Keychain method for logging in as it is the most secure. We hope you found this tutorial interesting and you'll make use of this feature moving forward. Thank you for taking the time today, and Carpe Diem!